we will add a patient. Go to the Patient module, select Patients. Click Add New Patient. Fill out all of the blue fields. On Address and Contacts, complete all of the fields necessary. The blue fields are not required to transmit a claim, and therefore if you do not fill in the emergency contact information, it will not prevent you from billing your claim. Fill out your diagnosis details. These are the diagnoses that are chronic to the patient. Select your primary, secondary, third, and fourth insurance, and here you can view your insurance history. You can also set up a cash patient. Looking at the cash patient profile, you'll see that there are quite a few missing fields. That is because we are not transmitting a claim to an insurance company, and there are far fewer requirements. The required fields are first name, last name, and state. All other fields are optional. If you have further questions on adding a patient, please contact your Bflow account executive.